Hello my primas, my beautiful people. I hope you guys have been shining. The sun is out and spring is here. I'm so excited to be doing a 10-minute fun and fresh spring makeup tutorial using high-end products. It's gonna be so much fun. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ruby and I do makeup, travel, and lifestyle videos, and there's gonna be more videos to come, so definitely hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Okay you guys, now to start off with the video, I'm collaborating with another YouTuber. Her name is Julie Donovan. She's so beautiful and talented. She does beauty and lifestyle content on YouTube, so definitely check her out down below, and her Instagram too. So basically I am doing a 10-minute fun fresh spring makeup tutorial using high-end products, and Julie is doing a fun fresh spring makeup tutorial using drugstore products. So I'm super excited to see what she comes out with. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay you guys, so this should only take about like 10 minutes. So I am using my Rosen skincare. I'm going to start with the skin prep, of course. I'm going in with my Paloma serum. I love this serum, it's so good. You guys, I just love the cooling effect when applying your serum. It's just everything. Oh my god, you guys. Shine bright like my forehead. Alright, that's on there. Woo! Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with my Good Molecules silicone-free moisturizer. And to me, it's high-end. Like, Good Molecules is a high-end skincare, and it's not even expensive. It doesn't need to be expensive for it to be high-end, okay? Bam. Now for my primer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I love how this primer smells. And just like that, we skin prep. And guess what you guys? So now I'm going to be using the new Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint and EAZE Drop. I am so excited, and this is in the shade 9. You guys already know I love my Fenty. I like to just put it on here. Fenty Beauty foundation brush. I love it so much. I live by it. I'm just gonna start over here, and I always apply like in my T-section area because that's where I just like want the most product on. And like here. And literally you don't even need a lot, like that's all you need. Wow. This Fenty Beauty skin tint, you guys, you see this? So easy to blend, and it's so smooth. You see that? My natural skin, and it's just light coverage, but perfect coverage. It's not too much. Fenty Beauty, hey, with the EAZE drop, EAZE drop, hey, EAZE drop, hey. No, seriously though. All right, on to the next product. And for concealer today, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and Sable. I genuinely love this concealer. Like, it's perfect, and it's super cheap. Like, to me, it's genuinely like high-end, okay? Like I said, it doesn't need to be high-end price to be a high-end product. Bam. There we go. Giving that lift action on the highlighting. And then I go up like this. Just so when I put my lipstick, it's nice and cut. And then I go right here, right up below my cheekbone. So it gives it nice definition. This is all the concealer I use now, and that's how I lift my face. But now to blend out the concealer, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals blending so fire, you guys. Like, you guys need this in your makeup kit. Look, just watch. I can literally buff it out just like that. Like, that was only one time. Like, it's so quick. I love brushes because they last way longer. Just like I love the Fenty Beauty foundation brush. Amazing. See? Yes. You guys need this in your kit. The Bare Minerals foundation blending brush. Now to contour and bronze my face, I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Carmel Cutie. I love this bronzer so much. I always start over here, and then I always go up. You always want to go like above your cheekbone so you can blend it, so you have space to blend like this. So it's already creating that line. And then I go down right here, down to the cheekbone, all the way down, and then down here, down to the jawline, down to the cheekbone, to the jawline. Okay, now that my bronzer is done, I am going to be going in with my setting powder. So to set my face, I am going to be using my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. I'm so excited to use this. I bought a small one because I actually never had a Laura Mercier setting powder before, so I wanted to try it, and I absolutely love this shade. It's so nice. I do sometimes get oily, but I always make sure to set my T-zone because that's where I just get the most oily. But yeah, I'm gonna just use this big brush and press it in. Okay, for the eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with my Benefit Brow Wiz Pro Palette. I love this eyebrow palette. It's amazing. It has all the shades and the 2 gels that you need. I'm going to start off by getting this gel in with my spoolie and just combing it up a little like this. So I create hair-like strokes with my Benefit eyebrow pencil, which is so good, and it's sturdy and precise. Nice and precise. Benefit brows. No, but seriously. Okay, see? And that's it. That's all I need on my eyebrows. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm going to be going into this shade right over here with my EAZE Cosmetics blending brush. And this is just like a little neutral brown right over here. I have eyeshadow all over my lids. I'm going to be going in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to give myself a cute, simple wing. I'm going to be going in with my water activated neon eyeliner. I'm so excited. I actually got these off of Amazon, but yes, super excited to be using these because I love graphic liner, and I'm definitely going to be using these colors more in my looks, and especially now that it's spring and about to be summer soon. But yes, I'm going to be using these 2 colors. Now that I'm done with the orange pigment on my eyeliner, I'm going to be adding the hot pink pigment on the wing of my eyeliner right above it. And you honestly can skip this step. I just wanted to add a nice pop of color because, you know, it's spring. Then then just repeat the other steps onto this and clean it up if you have to with the black liner. Okay, you guys, I just finished applying all my gems. I literally live by gems. It's the new lashes, I swear. I literally, after I finish doing my face, I always apply my gems. I can't go out the house with applying my gems. I literally, that's part of my every single day makeup look. For blush, I'm gonna be using my Cha Cha Skin Tip by Benefit. It's in the shade in Mango. It's a nice, cute orange blush. It's a liquid blush. I love it so much. And just like that, even on top of set skin, like what? It's amazing. I love how the product looks. It's just nice and vibrant. I love a good orange blush. Now that I finished applying my blush, I'm gonna continue to go finish my eyes, and for mascara, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. TikTok made me buy it. Ever since I tried the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, I fell in love, and it's just as good as the Essence Mascara too. But yeah, I love this. I'm just gonna go over here. Apply a few coats. Love my lashes. Literally, the Maybelline Sky High Mascara is everything, you guys. Now to finish off my eye look, I'm gonna be using my Blushberry Beauty Magnetic Liner for my magnetic lashes that I'm gonna be wearing today. They're such an amazing company. They make magnetic eyelashes, and look at how beautiful and wispy this is. I'm so excited. And it's cruelty free, and it is made from synthetic fiber, which is really cool. So I'm applying their black eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner right now. On their website, they also have a brown liner. Okay, now that I have my lashes on, oh my goodness, you guys. These lashes are beautiful. The Blushberry lashes, magnetic lashes are amazing. Like, what? And they were super easy to put on. They were so freaking cute. Yes. I love how gems and lashes just do it for me, okay? Wow. But anyways, now onto the lips. For my lips today, I'm gonna just be outlining my lips with a brown eyeshadow in any palette, literally in any palette. Just use a brown shadow to outline them. My lips are huge, especially my bottom lip. Okay, you guys, now that my lips are nice and outlined, I'm now gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Ruby Milk. I'm just gonna pretend that Fenty Beauty named this lip gloss because of me. I'm going to apply this to my lips. I'm gonna be going into my How Many Carats Diamond Bomb Highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And you guys know I love to shine, and I love to shine bright like the ruby that I am. So this Diamond Bomb highlight is so beautiful. It gives you that glass skin, and it's just perfect. Like, it's perfect for literally anyone. Please get your hands on this, okay? Like, it's beautiful. Just like that. I tap it on there lightly, right above my blush. And then I'll go right here too. And it just gives it that like shiny, like just glow effect. Like, it's so beautiful. It gives you that fake, like Facetune highlight or something. It's just beautiful, okay? Shining bright. See, and just like that, it gives you that nice highlight that everyone needs. Yes, and collarbone right there. Yes, sir. Fenty Beauty just does it for me, you guys. And for the grand finale, I'm gonna be using my Bare Minerals Dew Mist to set everything in place. Yes. Alright, primas, and that is it for the makeup tutorial. If you ended up liking my spring makeup tutorial, give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you end up doing my makeup look, definitely tag me. And it's a cute pop of color. You honestly can't go wrong with it. But yeah, I had so much fun doing this look. Definitely check out Julie Donovan's video because we collaborated. And she is doing a drugstore version of her spring makeup look. But yeah, I'm so glad to be back. I'm going to be making more videos and more different videos that are just beauty related. But stay tuned, and until then, keep shining, and I love you guys. Bye.